I just took their picture, so here we go. Does that hurt? Yeah, he's going, ah!
He's overshooting the jump.
Uh-huh.
I need to make the jumps bigger now.
Oh.
It worked for him. That one over there is a little low.
Now, what's the object of that? They want to be in the lead?
They want to be in the front so they don't got to slow down.
Oh, I see. Now, why aren't they using that other jump?
No, they like to go fast around that.
Oh, I see.
Hey, hit that jump! Hit that jump over there, too! Slow down. Use your brakes. You're hitting the berms pretty fast. Hold your bike up or put your kickstand down.
Wow. That's a good one.
The bike that Russell's riding is my old bike.
Oh.
I want to ride with you.
Woo! About to run out of the way.